Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
Happy Friday. It's June 14th. We do have some more clouds out there as a weak boundary is drifting to the south. Let me show you what's taking place. If we look live out the window there out towards Rogers, you can look to the north and see some of that cloud cover that's out there. Very low rain chances out there for today and into the weekend. The rain chances are going to stay pretty minimal, though. There's just not a lot of instability out there to really give us any kind of big-time thunderstorms or anything like that. But a few more clouds today than what you saw yesterday. As far as rain goes, we are seeing a few showers here and there. Some showers currently located in northeast Arkansas around Mountain Home. These are pushing towards the south, southeast, and maybe a few returns here popping up underneath some of that cloud cover in northeast Oklahoma. It's all part of a complex that moved to the south. Not really even a complex, more like a congested area of showers that was moving south. So here's what it looks like surface chart wise. You have that front, which is slowly moving southward, and you have some rain showers in and around the vicinity of the front. It's spotty. It's not widespread at all. In fact, most of us, I think, are going to stay pretty dry out of this. The big pattern, though, with the satellite shows what's happening here. So you have the clouds down to the south, and you have that boundary that's moving in from the north. Now, that boundary moving in is what's causing some of those rain showers. You can see the clouds start to fade as they push south, southeast. But on a bigger scale, let's see if I can load up water vapor imagery for you real quick and show you what that looks like. If we go out a little bit here, you can see there's a ridge of high pressure that's right in this area in southwest Texas. Now, that high pressure ridge, what it does over time is it's going to flatten out. It spins clockwise. That's why that boundary is moving in from the northwest. But with time, that high will expand towards the east and give us more of a return flow from the south. So there's a tropical system too that's worth watching. It's way out. That's if I can find it on this. I'm not sure if it'll show up on the grids here. It's just off the map data, but I'll show it on another one. There's a tropical system, and that high pressure should steer it right up the Gulf and bring that Gulf surge of moisture. This one probably shows it a touch better for you. I'll pull this one up and give you an idea. If we look to the south, there you go. There's that enhanced area of convection that's taking place just northwest of Cancun. And so as you get that high that spins clockwise here, it starts to shuttle up a lot of that moisture. You can see the flow in the atmosphere is still north to south across most of the central and southern plains. That's why humidity hasn't been off the charts. But as the south wind starts to pick up and that high starts to shift, we're going to get back into some very sticky temperatures heading into the upcoming weekend. Speaking of the weekend, highs will be in the low to mid 90s this weekend. Heat index in the upper 90s to low 100s. Sunday will be the hotter of the 2 days. There are very, very small rain chances in the afternoon. Most of us stay dry into next week. And then next week, when the humidity returns, we'll get some of those pop-up showers here and there. Those would mostly occur in the late afternoon and the early evening. Hope you have a great Friday.